In the early years of Islam, a man named Ali ibn Abi Talib lived. He was known for his bravery, kindness, and unwavering faith in Allah. One day, during prayer, Ali noticed a poor elderly woman struggling with heavy bags of groceries. Without hesitation, he rushed to her aid. People started seeking Ali out for guidance and support, both in matters of faith and worldly affairs. He was always willing to listen and offer advice. Ali's love and devotion to Islam were unwavering. He defended the faith and spread the teachings of Prophet Muhammad. Ali participated in numerous battles, displaying unparalleled courage and bravery. One of the most significant events in Ali's life was his marriage to Fatima, the beloved daughter of Prophet Muhammad. Their union was based on love, respect, and commitment. Even after the demise of Prophet Muhammad, Ali continued to exemplify the true essence of Islam. He became the fourth caliph. Tragically, Ali's life was cut short when he was martyred while offering prayers at the famous Kufa mosque. His assassination was a devastating blow to the Muslim community,